What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be checking out the control arm bushings, this lower control arm right here. There's now 1 and 2, and then this other side connects to the ball joint right there. I got some polyurethane bushings from Energy Suspension. It's about $40 for a kit for both sides. Alright, so I get my 19 right here. Yeah, it's just better to break these. One right here that holds the horseshoe bracket around the bushing. Oh, son of a bitch, he's on there. Jeepers creepers. We can do this with good old fashioned brute force. Bah! Ha! Ja! Oh, there we go. You can get a shot in there. I do is I just put the wrench on it, get your hammer, and tap the end of the wrench. Should break it loose. Well, I've run into the first problem with disconnecting this lower control arm on the driver's side. This bolt right here, I can't get it loose enough because it just backs against the bottom of this tranny pan. I think I'm going to have to loosen the transmission mount in here. Right here. Just loosen this, put a jack under it, and jack it up a little, see if I can't get enough space to get that bolt out. Alright, breaker bar on it. Loosen that baby up. Alright, so I was able to get it jacked up underneath the pan and slide that bolt out of the control arm to get it to come out. Once I got this up, it was able to just slide right out. So now, control arm, fall right out. Your lower control arm, placing that and that bushing, and the ball joint goes there. Now on the passenger side, it should be a lot easier, seeing that this bolt has nothing in the way of taking it out, so we won't have an issue with that like we did on the driver's side. Went ahead and rented one of these ball joint presses, and what it is just basically a big C-clamp and these kind of spacer things that allow you to push the bushing or push a ball joint through. I rented it at AutoZone. They just make you put a deposit down for about $100. We'll put this thing in, the thing that came in the threaded part, and that'll push through it right there. And then we'll put the circular part on top of this adapter. Press it out the bottom. Put your ratchet or breaker bar on it now. Just start going to town. Let's just try a little WD-40 around the rim. This stuff will work wonders. The flathead. Yeah, there we go. Ah, there we go. Alright, do this one. I'm going to spray a little WD-40 or penetrating grease around the rim. You'll get to the point where it feels like it popped out. Gets easier. Alright, now that you got your old seals out, put the new seals in. So how these ones work is there's actually 2 bushings that just go in like this. Put these in, and we put this through the middle. Go ahead and clean the inside of this. And then you're going to want to grease all the different bushings and the spacers in here. And take your spacer, press this through, put them out. Alright, now let's do this one. Press the bushing in. Remember how this goes on? Turn that on. Go ahead and put some anti-seize, it's this silver stuff, all over the bolts because they were showing some corrosion. Let's put this control arm in, and if you look right here, they're marked. Oops. They have a little engraving, R, L for right or left, so you don't get them confused. Up there. Make sure they're good and tight. Now for the driver's side, we got to jack it back up so we can get that bolt through. Now line up the tranny mount. I've got the transmission mount bolted back on, and it was kind of tricky getting the bolt through, so just adjust the jack to try and get the hole to line up, and then get your pry bar out and just wedge it here and kind of lift it up and down to try and get the bolt through. Now we can remove the jack. Transmission should be supported now. Cool. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.